रमजान करीम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स। मैंने लास्ट एपिसोड आपकी खिदमत में बताया था, ये मेरा सेकंड एपिसोड है। व्हाट इज योर विजन ड्यूरिंग द मंथ ऑफ होली रमजान? व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम? व्हाट इज योर गोल? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू अचीव इन दिस होली मंथ, पायस मंथ? देयर आर टू थिंग्स। वन तो जैसे 11 महीने आते हैं, ऐसा मंथ ऑफ रमजान आया, एंड दिस टू शेल पास, ये भी गुजर जाएगा। लेकिन अगर मैं समझूं कि ये मंथ मेरे लिए बहुत ही पायस है, मैं अवेयरनेस ले आऊं कि ये मंथ की इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है, व्हाट दिस मंथ इज आस्किंग मी, व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग फ्रॉम दिस मंथ, देन यू विल हैव योर आंसर ओनली इन वन वर्ड. दैट वर्ड इज अ सेल्फ डिस्कवरी. Every moment you are fasting, you are connected to God, you are connected to Allah, you are connected with yourself. And somewhere down the line you are focused and you are. But my request to you is that focus internally. Where your focus goes, your energy flows. So I am focusing internally, so my entire energy starts flowing inside. Now you are connecting within yourself. Now you are reflecting your needs, your desire, your values, your discipline, your own respect for yourself. Now you are shifting from external expectation to internal organization. This is more important. And you have a limited period of time. एक महीना ही है, उसमें से भी 2 दिन तो चले गए. होता क्या है? My expectation is from the world, my family, my neighbors, my relatives, my near and dear. ये chaos के अंदर हम इतने घुल मिल जाते हैं कि हम इसको एक्चुअली एक फीस्ट का महीना बना लिए है. Yes, it is a feast month, but the food of feast is internal discovery. Social interaction with the family member, with friends इतना बढ़ जाता है during this month specially कि we totally forget the essence of holy month of Ramzan. I need to ask myself, what are my passions? What are my responsibilities? What are my duties? What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? This is not one-time process. This is a continuous process for 1 month. The moment you see this episode of mine, you can start reflecting inside your passion, your strength, your weaknesses, your discovery, your rediscovery, your creation, your recreation. This is not one-time process, but you have to keep progressing from within. इसके लिए करना क्या पड़ेगा? There is only one formula. I try to bring only very a simple formula which is implementable, which is doable. There is only one formula. When you spend time alone, slowly you will start connecting yourself. This connection will give you insight of your own self. And this connection will make you full. This is the reason that the pious month of Ramzan, your responsibilities. Because at the end of the month also, I feel empty from within. I have to make myself full from within. Then I'll start connecting with myself. Once I'm connected with myself, then I'm enjoying my own company. Then my focus is shifting from festive foods to festive thinking. This festive thinking will give you insight. This festive thinking will disconnect yourself from validation of the people. This situation, this decision will allow you to align with your goals. You can ask your internal self, what I want, what is my expectation from this month. Now, आपने देखे क्या कहाँ शिफ्ट आया? मैंने बाहर के लोगों से अप्रूवल डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया. Whatever you want to do, your charity, your thinking, your prayers, I have nothing to do with that. May Allah give you more himmat to do that. But you are organizing from within. Now you have started your own goal. You are pursuing your own goal. You are having a self-discovery of your own self. Now you and world, you are in the universe, you are in the nature, you are in the mosque. But rather than connecting with the people, you are connecting with the nature. करके देखो, मैंने तो ट्राई किया हूँ, मैं तो ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, एवरी डे आई सिप। जो मैं अकेले में अपने साथ में टाइम बिताना चाहता था और मैं अंदर क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक हो जाता था। आप देखो बहुत सारे नुक्कड़ों पे लोग जमा होके चाय पीते हैं, जमा होके, व्हाट इज दैट? इमोशनली दे डोंट वांट टू बी अलोन, दे आर अफ्रेड ऑफ टू बी अलोन। सो आई एम एंजॉयिंग द कंपनी, एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट एंजॉयिंग द कंपनी, यू आर रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ। एंड आई एम शोइंग यू द पाथ। ये एक ही महीना है सेल्फ डिस्कवरी। Once you discover yourself, you will be able to live within yourself happily. No, I don't need world. But when I am alone, I can enjoy my own company. I'm not telling सबसे disconnect हो जाओ. Be in the society, be in the family, take care of the family. But at the same time, have 1 minute of time, have few moments of time where you can connect yourself, where you are happy with yourself, where you are with the nature, where you are with your Allah. Just connecting with Allah. This can never, I'm using word NEV, never happen when you are with the people. जितने भी human beings है, they take birth alone. They come to this world alone. And when they depart, उनका funeral भी alone होता है. So when Allah says, I'm sending you alone to spend time with me alone and come alone with to me. मुझे सिर्फ खाली इतना ही मैसेज समझाना है. Enjoy your own company. ये सब मैं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, जब मैं माँ के वोम से जब इस दुनिया में आया, आई वॉज अलोन. अल्लाह टुक केयर ऑफ मी बिकॉज आई वॉज कनेक्टेड विथ माई मदर. नाउ आई एम एन एडल्ट, आई हैव टू कनेक्ट विथ अल्लाह, विथ नेचर. एंड देन अगेन व्हेन आई गो, everybody has to go. Again when I go, I am connected to my nature. This is the month. Regain yourself, regain your energy, regain your connection. And the formula is only I can be happy when I am alone. And this starts only with 60 seconds. Then you will be, you actually you are alone में होते ना, आप आपका माइंडसेट को मैन्युफैक्चर करते हो. इस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस के अंदर से जो आउटकम आएगा ना, दैट इज हैप्पीनेस, दैट इज कॉन्टेंटमेंट. दिस विल गिव यू एनर्जी, दिस विल गिव यू हैप्पीनेस, दिस गिव यू पायसनेस. Try to be alone within yourself and you will see a new life in very few days. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Don't forget to bell the icon. The best way to do it is to do it. Love you all. Love you all. Love you all. Ramzan Kareem.